Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to discuss about free text invoice. One of my friends Noman has called me yesterday at night and he was confused about the settlement of free text invoice. What I understand, instead to give him too much time to him, I suggest him that how accounts will be debited or credited when you are going to post a free text invoices and when you are settle the account. So let's discuss one scenario. Suppose I have to charge a customer or give a free text invoice of $100. So in that case, what will happen? I have to provide an account that is a revenue account that will be credited with $100, right? And the customer will be debit with $100, right? And then when I'm going to post a customer vendor journal, then I will be, after selecting the invoice reference or settling the invoice, $100 with the customer with credit with $100, and bank will debit with $100. suppose suppose he will pay through a check. So in this way the settlement will happen inside this D365 for finance and operations. If I go version of a D365, I'm on 10.0.43 and update 67 version, right? And now I'm going to account receivable, all free text invoices, right? And here I create a new invoice. I settle $100 with Contoso Retail San Diego, right? And here I'm going to select revenue account. I put a revenue, some revenue accounts will be come here. Suppose I select a revenue fee account, charges will be the sales tax, item sales tax will come with the setup. I'm not going to change anything. Quantity is 1 and unit price I send 100, right? So it become 100. So he have to pay 100 me. Then taxes definitely. So if I go on a total, you can see the 100 subtotal and 7.25 as a sales tax, and invoice is 1025. Okay, even I can give him some cash discount, right? Or I can apply a charges, right? And if I go to accounting and if I see the distribution, it show me that the sales tax will be credited with 7.25, customer will be debited with 107.2.5, and the customer revenue that goes to the revenue account fee or something, it will be credited with $100. Now I'm going to post it. I click here to post and it asks me a few things. I'm not going in detail of all those things, and I click on post. So free text invoice is posted, right? And if I go on a handle, right, and invoice number is FT1 triple 460 and double 22. Payment of terms, payment method check, all these things are done. One way to post is create a new payment journal, right? I'm not using this feature. I'm going into a payment journal and customer payment journal. Now I'm going to create a new, and here I select the curse pay, right? And from lines, select the same customer, Contoso Retail, right? And settle transactions, and here I have to select the invoice, which is this one, right? And I select the mark this, click OK. you can see the amount comes on a credit side. It means the customer will be credited with 107.25 and bank account will be debited with 107.25. When I click on a post it, then both entries will be settled with each other. I'm going to post it. So this is the video where I share you what account are going to be settled when we create a free text invoice, and then I show you how you can settle this free text invoice and how accounts will be settled. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.